It doesn't take much to destroy careers, pull families apart, and ruin lives. In the new novel, The Sin Warriors, Julian Earl Ferris chronicles one of the most incredible assaults on human rights in 20th century America. A mix of ignorance and hatred combined with an insatiable lust for power fermented in the Florida Legislative Investigation Committee in the early 60s. The Johns Committee caused the disappearance of more than 300 suspected homosexual students, faculty, and administrators from Florida's public colleges and universities. Though The Sin Warriors uses fictional characters, the background and incidents are real. Ferris interviewed survivors of this purge along with the documents of the committee, released in 1993, to shape a compelling novel of love, loyalty, and resilience.
There are people who don't believe the Holocaust happened, and efforts are made to keep the memory of that horrible time alive, lest we forget that the unthinkable could happen again. My inspiration for The Sin Warriors was not so much because the Johns Committee witch hunts are disbelieved, but that the state-sanctioned assault, which destroyed so many lives, is known by so few. And, as a philosopher once warned us, those who do not know the past may well repeat it.
Please join us for a stimulating and innovative evening of film, stage performance, and Julian Earl Ferris reading from his new novel. A dialogue with the audience and book signing will occur after the presentation. If you are a champion of human rights, you won't want to miss this event.